I started the art program when I was 14 years old and in third form. Before the art program, I was very mean, disobedient, and aggressive towards my peers and persons in authority. I guess I did not care about other person's feelings and opinions. But I know I was not making the best decisions, but I decided to live carefree and did whatever I felt like doing. For fun, I engage in a lot of risky behaviors that tend to get me in trouble with both my parents and authority. Some of the skill sets that I have learned during art were social skills such as dealing with accusations, how to keep out of fights, and understanding the feelings of others. I also learned how to control my anger by using different steps to calm myself down. And I also learned how to listen to others' personal perspectives and respond in a respectful way. Before art, I would get into fights with my brothers whenever I was accused of doing something. However, after art, there was a situation where he accused me of stealing. I became very angry, but then I remembered the different skills I've learned in art and reminded myself that it was not worth it. Art has made me into a better person by helping me to make better life decisions. I have now set goals and are working to achieve these goals.